Okay, so I have a bunch of different materials that Ezra and I are gonna use today to make some rubbings. And thin paper, this is just copy paper, works great. The thinner the paper, actually the better. And then a range of different materials, pencils that are sharpened so you can use the side, crayons that don't have the paper, anything really that you can use the side for. And then you want materials that have some good texture, because really thin materials might not show up. So I'm just going to lay this down and have the bumpier side up.
Oh, you put the bumpier sides up.
Yeah.
So then when you...
And this is a 4B pencil. Sometimes changing the direction of your marks once you find a contour. And you can keep adding. And one thing I'm making sure I'm doing is not moving the leaf underneath. You can see it moved a little bit, which could be kind of cool. You know, and I could try the same thing. And I find a smaller piece actually works better. Gives you a little more control over it. This is my sidewalk. Some scraps of wood. You know, and think about the color of the materials. You know, if I want black shapes or a specific color, you can also do the same material or the same object in multiple different materials. This one is obviously thicker, so I'm getting just its shape, where the leaf, you know, you get a lot of marks around it. You can always erase if you want to, so that's kind of fun.
Sometimes I think... I'm just going to not move.
So Ezra's having trouble. Tell us what you're having trouble doing.
The head is not matching that head, and I keep doing that. It's not gonna keep working.
So what do you think the problem is?
It keeps moving.
Okay, so we have to stabilize it. Now, what happens if you put tape across the top?
It's not gonna leave the texture. It's
It-
just gonna make a line form.
Right, so maybe we have to put the tape
Tape low.
on the back.
Tape low.
Mhm. And we could also maybe do a little
Around the edge.
all right. Now, what's the other problem that we're going to run into? What, the coin's not moving, but what's moving?
Paper.
The paper's moving.
So we need to tape down the paper.
Yeah. Don't press so hard. You don't have to press very hard. You can always go back another layer. So now trying with pencil instead of crayon. You can press a little harder. So this was crayon, pencil, colored pencil.